In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily update your payment methods on Shein, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience every time you check out. Whether you're eager to add a brand new card or simply want to manage your current options, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the process, which is remarkably straightforward and user-friendly. First, you'll want to visit the Shein website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Shein using your favorite search engine. Once you're on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage if you're new to shopping on Shein. They often display a range of featured collections and promotions, so you might even spot some deals you want to explore later. Next, it's time to navigate to your personal center. Look for your profile or account area, usually represented by an icon or your username, depending on whether you're on a computer or a mobile device. Click on that, and it will take you to a page with various account management options. From here, you'll want to select My Payment Options. This section is crucial. It's where you'll manage how you're planning to pay for all those delightful items you've picked out for your cart. Within My Payment Options, you will find a button to Add a New Card. Clicking this will prompt you to enter all necessary details for your credit or debit card. Everything you input here is securely handled, but it's always a good idea to double check for any typos so your payment method gets saved correctly on the first try. After entering your card details, make sure to save or submit them as per the instructions on the screen. In addition to adding new cards, there's also a convenient feature to select or change your payment method directly when you're on the checkout page. So if you have already initiated a shopping session and your cart is ready, you can navigate to the checkout and find the option to choose or switch to a different payment option there. This flexibility ensures that if you started shopping without setting up your payment methods beforehand, you're covered. And just like that, you're done. Whether you've added a card or switched up your payment option during a purchase, Shein makes sure that the process is seamless. Now you can rest easy knowing that your payment preferences are set up just the way you like them. With your payment options in order, you can continue browsing or finalize your purchase, confident in the knowledge that everything will go smoothly. Thank you for watching and happy shopping on Shein.